Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate exam practice question. So let's jump right into it. Person died testate. After an extensive search, no additional heirs were found. The person's real property would transfer by. Tricky question. Why is this tricky? Because there's two conflicting pieces of information here, and one is trying to lead you down a path of despair. Let me tell you what that statement is. It's trying to lead you down a path of despair. And that is the statement that says, after an extensive search, no additional heirs were found. So, that's my question to you. So, you don't even need that sentence. Why don't you need that sentence? Because they died testate. First sentence. That means they died what? They died with a will. They died with a will, okay? So if they died with a will, what does that mean? That someone is going to get the property, that there's something in there that states who gets the property. That I don't know why there was an extensive search and no additional heirs were found. I don't have that information. I don't know why. However, they're asking you the person's real property would transfer by escheat to the state. Everyone was picking that because it said after an extensive search, no additional heirs were found. So you automatically think, you erase the very first sentence that you read. You erase it. You're like, oh, person died at testate, but there was no heirs and no addition, and there was an extensive search, has to go to the state. That's wrong. So now you have three answers that might work out. So by descent and distribution is in regards to finding additional heirs. So if there was an extensive search and they found additional heirs and there was descent and distribution that way, it would be such. However, they died testate with a will. That isn't going to work. So now we're left with two words, demise and devise. So to demise real property is to lease real property. It sounds like devise, so people get it always confused. Okay, so demise, not the answer, because that is to lease real properties, to extend the leasehold estate to someone else. Okay, so devise means to will real property. So it is actually going to transfer by devise because they died testate. All the other information is irrelevant because they have died testate. So testate law would take effect. They're going to have the property devise. Hey guys, have a great one. Take care.